So when we keep our energy high, regardless of what the circumstances look like around us, it tends to draw in like energy, like draws in like. So in today's practice, we will be pretty quiet today. This is a season of restoration, and a lot of the restoration is done quietly with breathing and long held poses. If you have a wall, I've kind of set up so that I can use my, what do you call this? The footboard to put my legs up on. We are going to start with legs up in the air. And then if you're okay elevating your hips, you might add either a blanket or a cushion or something to even get more of an inversion going on. So we're going to start in that position, and we'll move on from there. So I'll see you over on the mat. So I'd like for you, if you could, to start off with a wide-legged inversion. And I'm not sure how well that's going to work here. When you're getting into this inversion, sometimes it's helpful to start on your side and then kind of swing your legs up like that. And then you might, if you have something under the low back, you might want to adjust it. And I'm going to start with my legs out wider. And then after a couple of minutes, draw them in together. So find a way that this can be comfortable for you, helps you settle in. This is really legs up in the wall in some fashion or form is probably one of the most restorative poses. It's recommended after flying. It's recommended for people who have trouble sleeping at night. It's a great way to help with vein issues in the leg or tired leg syndrome or even restless leg syndrome. So just settle in, and then maybe as you're settling in here, you can start doing this little process of looking back over the past year, searching for glimmers, searching for moments that maybe even you forgot to savor at the time, but were like highlights. So it's like our highlight reel from the past year, not our low light reel. Those that might be easier to make. Just breathing and noticing if any things come up that maybe even you forgot about. Sometimes those glimmers are when you were expecting something really bad to happen and it didn't happen. It's like, oh, or something you were super worried about, and it's like, it turned out okay. Or even something that may have started out bad or looked bad, felt bad for a bit, and then in hindsight led to something that was so much better. Any one of these are possibilities.